Anybody want to tell me the center of that circle, that first one? What do you do with the numbers? Remember, the center is a point. What's on that? 4, 3. The opposite of this guy and the opposite of that guy. Somebody else, you want to tell me the radius? The radius is 3 because it's the square root of 9. Everybody get that? And you can use your calculator. The next one you're going to have to use your calculator because most people don't know the square root of 2. So how do I graph this? What do I graph first? So you graph the center, and then you go up 3, down 3, left 3, right 3, and then draw a circle around those points. That's how you graph the circle. Everybody get that? When you're connecting dots, the easiest way to do it is to look ahead of your pencil, and you can do a better line than if you look at your pencil. It's a thing that an art teacher taught me a long time ago. Nothing. What's the number for nothing? 0. When there's a plane x squared or y squared, that number is going to be 0, okay? And you don't have to change the sign of 0. 0, Switzerland, doesn't, it's neutral, okay? So center is -3, 0. What is the radius? 2, right? So the radius is the square root of 2. It's 1.41. This is going to be an itty-bitty circle, and I hate when they do that because it's annoying. But we're going to do -3, 0. Everybody understand that's where that point goes? -3, 0. And then you're going to go a little under 1.5 blocks up because 1.4 is a little under 1.5. So just put it somewhere in there. I mean, I'm not going to pull out my precision tools. And that circle is tiny, tiny circle.